diving service. This is day. It is October 23rd, 2024. We're at Mandarin Holiday Marina at A16 at the vessel Clothing Optional. I'm getting ready to do an inspection of this boat, but we're going to just swim the whole thing before I get into the particulars. Okay, let's take a look. See from the back of the boat, the port trim tab is completely removed. The starboard trim tab is attached only by one ram. The other ram is disconnected at the vessel. Okay, let's take a look at the runners. Videos afterwards, but you can see, looking at both props, they have castle nuts, and they do, either one of them have a cotter pin in there, which is an easy fix. All of the zigs are intact on the boat, but they should be replaced soon. I'm going to look at all the parts systems in better order. The cutlass bearings appear to be within tolerance. You can see when I shook them, the little puffs that were coming out, no rattling. Shafts appear to be in good shape. Let me go investigate everything thoroughly, and then I'll get individual videos of anything that needs it.